Custom keyboards are getting insane. Today we've got the ASUS ROG Azoth Extreme. It's a $500 custom keyboard with a remarkable stock sound and feel. Right out of the box, you can see that the keyboard is housed in an all-aluminum chassis with carbon fiber accents. It also features an OLED screen that you can customize however you want and supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless. The craziest part is that you can run this keyboard in 8000 Hz over the wireless dongle. So if you play games such as Overwatch, Apex, or Valorant, this is honestly a game changer. And here's another thing you don't see on gaming-oriented keyboards very often. The switches they include are palm material and come pre-lubed. They sound really nice. And here's something I've just never seen on a custom keyboard before. They actually let you adjust the softness of the gasket mount. You don't even need to disassemble the chassis to do this. There's just a physical switch for it at the bottom. But enough on that, here's how it sounds. If you're interested in buying this keyboard, we have it in stock at our 5 California Bay Area stores. For anyone that lives in the US but is non-local to our stores, you can click the link in the description to order it online.